We're doing better. I'm happy.
We got the puppy.
Hi, and welcome to another edition of Antigua Adventures. We just got an emergency call from my friend Joy about a dog that had been slashed in the leg and possibly burned. So we're going to the dog's location to pick him up. He's safe at a friend's house right now. We're going to go pick him up and bring him to the sanctuary. Come along with us. Hello. Oh, dearie me. Oh, dearie, dearie me. Okay. What happened to her?
He's been burnt.
Oh,
He has mange. See the burns on his side?
Yeah.
He's been injured. Someone slashed his leg.
Oh, dearie, dearie me. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, my goodness.
He's just 6 months too.
Oh, my God.
Look at this little guy.
He's so cute.
He's really cute.
Oh, this poor little guy. Oh, my goodness.
Oh dear.
Yeah. You're at the sanctuary now. You're going to be okay. David, this poor little puppy. You poor little guy. You're going to be okay. Here's our little friend a couple days later. He's actually looking a tiny bit better. He's been getting his medication for his mange, and his spirits are better. Look at his little tail wag. Yep. He's a good little boy. He's a very sweet little puppy. Hopefully he will find someone who's willing to foster or adopt him, either here on the island or in Canada or the US or Britain. That would be great. Many of the puppies here end up getting flown out as travel buddies and find homes in other countries. So hopefully a very bright future for this little sweet guy. So this is a good place to end today's video, and as always I'd like to say please support Dogs and Cats of Antigua. You can find them on Facebook. There's a lot of ways you can give: direct donations, being a travel buddy, donating your time like we do while we're down here. A number of ways that you can help. Just reach out to them. They're very responsive and they can always use support and help. So this is Trainer Julia from Antigua Adventures signing off and saying have a great day.
We got the puppy.